Hi! In front of me is Asus ROG Phone 6 and today I would like to show you how you can add events to calendar on this smartphone. First of all, you need to find Calendar app and click on it. Now click on the month above and pick a date. When you're ready, you can create your event by tapping over here or choosing this plus icon at the bottom right corner and selecting event. Either way, now you can customize it however you wish to. For example, add a title to it. Now you can pick starting hour or ending one, and if you want to, also disable this feature completely by choosing this switcher next to all day. Then choose does not repeat and click on one of those options if you want your event to repeat, like every year. If you don't, just set up does not repeat. Now you can add people's videos and even location by choosing add location, clicking on while using the app or only this time, typing in an address and clicking on the correct result. Then set up notifications minutes, hours, or weeks before, take notes, add attachments, and even change color. When you're ready, click on save at the top right corner. As you can see, my event was successfully created. In order to edit it, just click on it and tap on this pen icon at the top right corner. Now make your changes and discard them by choosing top left corner and clicking on discard, or save them by choosing save. If you wish to delete your event though, you need to click on it again, but this time select those three dots at the top right corner, choose delete at the top, saucer MS click, and confirm your choice in this pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!